Hey friends, if you wish to change the system language in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Time and Language tab on the list on the left hand side and select Language and Region in the right pane. Okay, now you can click on Add a language, and let's say I will add another version of English for this example. I'll add English Canada next, and I will install it. It will need a while to install, and once it is installed it will still not be the top language because the language on the top is the system language, so you have to move it up till it is the first one. Yet it does not become the language for display. Display means the language that is used in System and File Explorer. So you will have to change it from here, but by default it will be English United States in most of the systems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.